Good morning, student. See what I have brought for you all today. Here are few examples of leaves, and each and every leaf is in green color. Do you know why the color of leaves are green? There is a pigment called chlorophyll which are present in leaves, due to which the color of leaves are green. But what is the role of that chlorophyll? Yes, the role of chlorophyll is to occur the process of photosynthesis. In chlorophyll, food is made by plants for themselves, and this process is known as photosynthesis. So today we are going to learn about photosynthesis. As you are in 10th class, you must have learned about photosynthesis, and you all know that photosynthesis is the process of making food by plants for themselves. But today we are going to learn about the process of photosynthesis, how photosynthesis occurs. Mainly the photosynthesis occurs in 3 steps which I am going to teach you today. In your childhood, when you were a child, you must have observed that a plant requires water to get moisture. Plant requires sunlight to grow. Plant cannot be grow in a room. It requires an open place. Why all these facts are required? So today you are going to learn about the reasons behind these all facts. So the very first step required for photosynthesis is capturing of sunlight by chlorophyll. There are very small pigments present in leaves, green colored small pigment, which captures the sunlight. Sunlight are captured by the chlorophyll of leaves. Then the roots of a plant absorbs the water from the moisture of soil, and it is transported to the leaves. So water also there in the leaf. Now what happens? These sunlight is converted into chemical energy, and that chemical energy is used to break down light energy converted to chemical energy. And that chemical energy is used to break down that water molecules absorbed by a root from soil, to break down into oxygen and hydrogen, to break down water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. Now this oxygen is released by plants, which is used by us, human beings and animals. And what about the carbon dioxide released by us? That carbon dioxide is used by plants. Now that carbon dioxide, which is absorbed by plants stomata are small pores at the below of leaves, from where leaves absorbs carbon dioxide, which is released by us. Now that carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrates. Now this is the final step of photosynthesis. Now this carbohydrates are the food of plants. This is how the full photosynthesis process occurs. And this whole process is represented by equation, which is known as equation of photosynthesis, which I will tell you. Six CO2 plus 6 H2O carbon dioxide and water reacted to give C6H12O6 and plus oxygen. This oxygen is the byproduct which is used by us human beings and animals to live their life, and this is glucose, which is the food for plants. So this is how the photosynthesis occurs, and these are the steps of photosynthesis. Thank you, class.